Michelin Finland proudly presents Drive with Michelin service concept. Michelin tires are market leader within professional fleet customers. With high quality and superior value for money, brand is known to last long and be reliable. We want to help you to sell more and provide our superior tire experience to all your customers, with higher profit, of course. Michelin Finland made a study together with our loyal tire dealers as well as your customers, and we take seriously your comments. On dealers' point of view, market competition shows in lower profit margins. Still, customers are demanding innovative and compelling pricing. Balancing between demand and direct supply capacity without tying too much resources into warehousing is challenging. But good news is that your customers are demanding Michelin tires. Based on the feedback from you and your customers, we have created an exclusive solution for you. Customers have now opportunity to choose from 3 attractive service packages prior to their need and desire for the service content. Platinum, Gold and Silver packages fulfill even the most demanding customers' need. And we have not forgot our dealers either. This is the most easiest service concept for ages. Just let your customer to concentrate on what they do best. Drive. We at Michelin help you to take care of everything, and you will collect the profit. By joining our Drive with Michelin network, we promise to deliver following benefits for you. Increased profit through our improved commission enabled by exclusive service packages. Balanced demand supply powered by worldwide provider network. And last but not least, centralized warehouse network with well-functioning delivery provided by Michelin. Join our provider network now and start benefiting. Provide Drive with Michelin service and your customers will notice the difference. Call 1800 Drive Michelin or contact us online at tiredealers.com/drivemichelin.